Hey there, amazing Flutter developers, Media Boss here, back with another video to help you build even more awesome apps. You know, one of the things that separates a good app from a truly great app is the ability to engage users even when they're not glued to their screens. That's where the magic of push notifications comes in. Today, we're diving deep into the world of push notifications in Flutter. We'll uncover why they're so crucial for your app's success, explore creative ways to use them, and walk through the steps to get started, all without getting bogged down in complex code. Whether you're dreaming of building the next viral social media platform, or a productivity app that helps people conquer their to-do lists, push notifications can be your secret weapon. So, grab your favorite drink, settle in, and let's unlock the power of push notifications together. Alright, let's get straight to it. Why are push notifications so important? Think about it, your app is just one of many vying for attention on a user's phone. Push notifications are your direct line to cut through the noise and stay top of mind. They're like friendly reminders that gently nudge users back to your app. Push notifications are fantastic for keeping users engaged and coming back for more. A well-timed notification about a new message, a personalized offer, or a reminder to complete a task can work wonders. It's all about providing value and making users feel like their experience is tailored just for them. If your app involves e-commerce, subscriptions, or any form of monetization, push notifications are your best friend. Now that you know why push notifications are essential, let's brainstorm some creative and effective ways to use them. Remember, the key is to be strategic and user-centric. Personalization is king. Don't just send generic blasts. Leverage the user data you have, their preferences, past behavior, location, to tailor notifications that feel relevant and valuable. Time-sensitive alerts are another winner. Think flash sales, breaking news updates, limited time offers, or event reminders. Gamification is another fun way to engage users. Notify users about daily rewards, new challenges, or friendly competition among friends. For apps that provide information or updates like news apps or weather apps, push notifications are crucial for delivering timely and relevant content. And let's not forget about re-engagement campaigns. A well-timed push notification can be the friendly nudge a user needs to rediscover your app. Try something like, "We miss you, come see what's new in the app." Okay, so we've covered the why and the how of push notifications. Now let's talk about how they fit into the world of Flutter development. The good news is that Flutter makes integrating push notifications surprisingly straightforward. Platforms like Firebase Cloud Messaging and OneSignal are specifically designed to make sending and managing push notifications a breeze. They handle all the heavy lifting for you so you can focus on what you do best, building amazing Flutter apps. Customizing push notifications in Flutter is super easy. You have complete control over the content, timing, and appearance of your notifications. Whether you're building a social media app, a productivity tool, or anything in between, push notifications in Flutter give you the power to create a more engaging, personalized, and successful app experience. I know what you're thinking, this all sounds great, but is it complicated to set up? Absolutely not. Let me break down the process into a few simple, non-techie steps. Step 1 is to choose your notification service. I highly recommend either Firebase Cloud Messaging or OneSignal. Both are incredibly beginner-friendly, well-documented, and offer a generous free tier to get you started. They also have fantastic Flutter packages that make integration a breeze. Once you've chosen your service, you'll need to add the necessary Flutter packages to your project and connect them to your service account. Now for the fun part, designing your notifications. Think about the types of messages your users will find valuable and engaging. Craft clear, concise copy that grabs their attention, and consider using emojis to add a touch of personality. Before you start sending notifications to your entire user base, it's crucial to test. Both FCM and OneSignal allow you to send test notifications from their dashboards to your app. And there you have it, a crash course in push notifications for Flutter. Remember, push notifications are more than just a technical feature. They're a powerful tool for building stronger connections with your users, keeping them engaged, and ultimately making your app an indispensable part of their digital lives. As you embark on your push notification journey, keep in mind that it's all about finding the right balance. Be respectful of your users' time and attention, and always prioritize delivering value with every notification you send. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and see what resonates best with your audience. I'm incredibly excited to see what amazing apps you all create, and I have no doubt that push notifications will play a key role in your success. So go out there, code smart, innovate fearlessly, and let's build something incredible together. That's a wrap on push notifications. I hope you found this video helpful and you're feeling inspired to implement them in your own Flutter projects. Remember, push notifications are a powerful way to boost user engagement, retention, and even revenue. With the right strategy and a user-centric approach, you can create notifications that users genuinely appreciate and find valuable. Check out the demo and source code in the description. Let's build something amazing together.